It's about to be right below us here. We got a fish inspecting the boat here. Got him! Got him! It's gotta be a laker. It hasn't figured out it's hooked yet. I don't think that's a laker. It's a giant steelhead already. First fish. First fish of the morning is a big old steelhead. Just a 25 and 3/4. Nice steelhead going back in.
We are jigging for steelhead kind of by accident, or rainbows, on Cayuga Lake. Now we're using this right here. This is the flutter jig. And I will fish for rainbows and landlocked salmon here in New Hampshire. And how I do that is I find the thermocline, I use my sonar and I bump the gain up and I find where that thermocline is. And I literally will just, even when I'm guiding, I will leave a spoon or a flutter jig like this, available at benditfish.com. I will leave it right at that thermocline mark. So right now our thermocline's at like 45 feet. I'll leave it at like 35 and I'll just leave it dangle there. And if I see something come underneath the boat at that level, it's usually either a landlocked salmon or a rainbow. And so all of these fish were right at that thermocline. They like to be in that 60-degree water temp. So just keep a rod down there and I continue to jig for lakers and I just reel that line up when I move around. But yeah, these fish are super fun. They jump out of the water. Watch the video.
Let's go track that other fish down. I would have loved to see if that rainbow that steelhead would have run, but he just went berserk next to the boat. I'm 20 feet off the boat launch probably. There's another one right there. And there's something hiding underneath the boat over here. So we are going to drop a spoon on his head. Ooh, got it, whatever it is. That's definitely not a laker. Oh, it's gonna jump. That was sick. Open the bail. Second steelhead of the morning. I now like this lake. He is awfully pissed. Big problem is, I have another line down. And I'm gonna... I'd really like you to come over here. Thank you. Oh no. He's in my other line. Less than ideal. I think he's out of it. He is not out of it. Crap. All right, I got him close a second ago. He is awfully mad. Ooh. Oh, that's my third fish on Cayuga. Only a 26 though. Third fish on Cayuga, only a 26-inch steelhead on the flutter jig. Saw him come in on the scope. We can do Winnipesaukee, but the lake trout fishery is not doing the best there. Oh, I have a fish on. Oh. Oh my goodness, he hooked himself. Why I'm on my phone? Winnipesaukee. And he's off. Don't tell me he just hooked himself again. What is going on here? Oh my goodness, it's a giant steelhead. What the heck is going on? Big steelhead. Holy crap. Why am I on the phone, folks? Another big buck, actually, first big buck steelhead of the day. Oh my goodness, going back. Sorry, buddy. I got something up high, don't know where it is. Ooh. That's another rainbow, for sure. Crap. Not very big though. Hasn't realized he's hooked yet. I don't want that one to get freaking taken. Could be a laker. The way that it's, ooh, and it's freaking off. These freaking jigs today, they just love them. They just absolutely love them. It's kind of bonkers. Come on. Got it. Yo! He is hot. No, don't go wrap around the line. Another steelhead. This is bonkers. An absolute, another steelhead. Oh my goodness gracious. Another steelhead, a little tiny guy though. Yeah. Oh. Oh, he's going berserk. And oh. So many steelhead in this lake. It's kind of bonkers, and they always jump in front of the boat instead of behind the boat where I can get them on camera. There we go. Do another jump. Do another jump. There we go. So mad. It's on my crap. My 1/4 ounce. Nope, stay away from the frickin' trolling motor. Alright, I think he's done. I think he's done. Right in that. Stop, stop, stop. Nice. Pretty steelhead. Going right back in. Nice and shiny.